Good morning to all of you. I am Dr. B.S. Misra. I am today with you behavioral approaches. This one is the important topic of negotiation on the behalf of the behavioral analysis, behavioral therapy. Most probably on this system, we analyze the degree of therapy to human behavior and analyze their psycho-mental tendency in context of the environment. So human refers to the most intelligent person in the society. Intelligence refers to the expansion of knowledge, innovation, creativity and capacity of the learning according to the socio-behavioral context. In the organizational system, whenever we utilize the approaches for the analysis of the sickness of implies sickness of administration, sickness of their psycho-mental tendency. So we analyze the types of behavior. Passive behavior, number one, passive human behavior. Under the procedure of the passive human behavior, first of all, we analyze the characteristics of the human behavior in the context of the socio behavioral system whatsoever required. If the requirement having degree of intelligence something like that, the 70% and people's workers participants activate like that 45%, this one is the minimum standard, low capacity of learning, low intelligence according to the requirement, according to the standard of the objective, according to the standard of the organizational decision, organizational standard of decision making process. So passively, first of all, we categorize and the characteristics of the passive. These people's emotionally, these people's intelligent, but expression, capacity of the expression is minimum. These people's having the power of intelligence, but gap in the communication, gap in the expression. In the social context, these intelligence correlate, less relate to another people's. So, capacity of self-ignorance, socio-behavioral ignorance come under these circumstances. And aggressive phenomena, this one is the just adverse. Here, these types of personality maximize their tendency, sense of emotion, sense of sincerity, concreteness, decision making, social behavior, relations, behavioral systems, analysis, power of analysis, utilization of degree of intelligence, having the aggressive phenomena. Here, utilization of the power of intelligence and the emotional consent is maximized. A person having the 40% in the aggressive period, aggressive position, be just twice means 80%. But diversion of sensitivity, diversion of emotion, diversion of acceptance, this one is the maybe illegal domain, maybe fair domain, maybe illegal domain. This aggressiveness, most probably the sense of control of the human behavior of intelligence is the divert. These types of peoples, if come in the force of the participation, they never accept the system, always deny, always counter, always react. Second, aggressive, completely aggressive behavior. If people's having pre-adaptation of the aggressiveness due to the internal, due to the external consent, these people are refers to the aggressive and less emotion, less responsibility, less intelligence, less power of decision making, less relation between the peoples, peer communities, peoples, senior and subordinate, and the assertiveness. Last one is the under these provisions, assertive peoples are like to the more concrete, responsible, more emotional, more responsible, and the objective oriented peoples. So categorization, there is 4 types of peoples mentioned. Impacts, 2 types of effects, internal factors and the external factors. Under the internal factors, those factors which is directly, personally affect to individual person according to their status of position, authority, power, and the effectiveness of the economic system, and personal behavior, psychology, attitude, term and condition, temperament, degree of stress. These things are come in force in the face of the internal phenomena, which is directly effect to the power of decision, power of analysis, power of the intelligence of the human beings. So internally, personality direct effects to the individual person's attitudes, thinking capacity, analysis of the power, and the communication. Both things change of the human behavior. In the second phase, this one is the degree of intelligence. If pure phase, if good environment, a person work in a good environment for the any types of same domain, same interest area, same expertization, same comfortable area, then utilize skill with intelligence. If we change the domain of performance of individual person, there we need to the time for decision making, threads for analysis, and the status achieving capacity, skills, and after that the learning capacity. If person having the intelligence, degree of intelligence, how much degree of intelligence, and people's having the quality of capacity of the learning. If high intelligence, then less time invest in the learning. If low intelligence, then is gaining to the maximum and more time of the intelligence. Like that, the 10%, 30% or 40% people of intelligence work plus skill and the time, then into the 70%. This one is the time and time consuming and the skill step by step develop. And high intelligence directly analyze and opt to the position of whatsoever requirement. And last one, belief and trust. Those people who perform according to the standard of the system and system trust recognize to him, then beliefs maximize. Firstly, trust and belief also maximize. If individually these peoples perform better by the analysis and get the better result, then beliefs also the maximize. So internally, better result provides better degree of trust. And last, habit. Intelligence, better intelligence, positive intelligence, utilization of the positive intelligence, positive learning capacity, develop the confidence and beliefs, and develop to the image, trust known as the image, and improve the better habits. And better habits is improve the degree of consistency of individual person. This one is the positive phenomenon. If a person utilize negative phenomena, then learning capacity of analysis divert to the negativity of the analysis and objectives, Then this one is the negative phase, beliefs, maximum trust, maximum and habit, completely negative, and the consistency, maximum. So these negative tendency, negative personality, negative attitudes people refers to the, if high intelligence, then these people are perform high negativity. If high intelligence and attitude is positive, they perform under the high positivity of the system. So intelligence and these things are the internal factor which is the directly approach to the behavior. Behavioral therapy first of all analyze the tendency, temperament, communication, status difference according to socio-behavioral concept. Then counselor try to understand, counselor implies counselor, organizational habit counselors try to understand the degree of sickness. If degree of sickness under the personality, this one is the time taking phenomena. This one is the time taking phenomena to the improvement of the positivity by the therapy. If, because personality refers, perception refers to the result of the attitudes. Attitudes changing, this one is also the time taking phenomena. If believe, trust, two things, discriminate. If any person find out the on the behalf of the lackness of the confidence, lackness, these lackness beliefs be tried out by the motivation, by the improvement, by the motivation we improve their belief and their trust according to the utilization, positive utilization of intelligence, we improve these peoples. And you change habits. Habits refers to the two types of temperament. Number one, which is come from the environment. Second one, religion. Third one, behave by friends. Habits. So changing in individual habits liable to the minimum 6 months. 6 months. This one is also time taking phenomena. And consistency, destruction of the consistency is very simple. Any habit, any friend, any time, any sickness, produce and discriminate your beliefs, tendency and consistency and habits are also the discriminant. So the discrimination is very easy and the therapy for a phenomena is very typical. This one is the analysis of the individual personality, analysis of the attitudes, analysis of the degree of intelligence, analysis of the adaptation capacity, learning capacity, and the changing in the habit, and believe the habit changing phenomena. This one is the fruitful for the individual and fruitful for the social people and fruitful for the your job and your provisions. So these things come in the force. Now external factors, how we change our tendency, our habits. Organizational system, this one is the number one, economic condition. Number two, political system, socio-political behavior. Socio-political behavior discriminate and formulate to the better psychomental status. If position is better, power better, price better, responsibility high, then the better tendency. If power minimize, power discriminate, illegal implementation, illegal behaviors, discrimination, any types of behavioral exploitation, this one is each and everything discriminate ones. And last one, the legal implementation. illegal implementation always harmful for the workers, for the participants, for the negotiation, for the result. And the legal implementation maximize the degree of trust, consistency, and the improvement of the productivity and performance of the workers. Secondly, behaviors. Environmental behaviors, characteristics, adaptation of the characteristics, habit, and skills be opt by the colleagues, by the senior, by the subordinate, and the system is developed the same types of domain, same types of skill for the use. And administrative system. Administrative system in the phase of the organizational system, in the form of the negotiation, in the form of the maximization of the potential of the employees, maximization of the performance of the employees, better of the employees feedback. These one is the administrative system is required to the better amicable relation among the participants. If there were any types of discrimination, any types of illegal implementation, any types of the environmental negative implementation, these each and every things are liable to damage. And the organizational environment, n number of threats are come in force for the organizational environment, which directly and indirectly affect to the employees, like the categorization, power based categorization, capacity based, intelligence based, and the performance based.